It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Understanding local file inclusion LFI vulnerabilities. So what is local file inclusion? It will let attackers to read or execute files on the web server. And this presentation we're going to do Apache log poisoning. Let's see the practical now. Before performing the lab, we actually have this lfi.php, which is making it vulnerable. So we have this code actually, it will include a file and we'll be able to fetch, like for example, index.php. Usually it should include the index.php if there is a index.php, but instead of index.php, we can do what? Like dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot slash, go back and access etc password, for example. And as you can see, we're able to read the access log as well. Everything is now set. We'll type the command exploit and it is going to give us the payload actually. Run the following command on the target machine. So the command is actually going to replace it with our command injection. So we are going to get C so that if it is poisoned, the log will be poisoned, and we can actually go to the access log and then $C is equal to and run some commands. So in this challenge, we are going to solve the deluxe fraud 3-star. We need to obtain a deluxe membership without paying for it. If we pay for it, then the lab will not be solved. I mean, the challenge will not be solved. And we will see that here in this part, disabled. So we can see that there is a button which is disabled and disabled is true. So if we remove this, so now as we have the continue option, again we are going to intercept the request and continue. So now we are getting actually the post request, and let's see, we have a wallet. Payment method is wallet, but we have intercepted the request, and because of improper input validation, we are actually changing the payment method to nothing actually. So we are just sending a null value and we are going to forward this request and also do capture response to this request. Now we're going to forward and forward and forward. Once we receive the response actually, these are all requests and we got the response. So now response is actually success and confirmation you are now a deluxe member. So we didn't pay anything, and due to the lack of input validation, I will stop the intercept here. And as you can see, yeah, successfully we are able to solve the challenge. Welcome to this limit overrun race condition. In this lab, due to the application vulnerability, and we have the race condition vulnerability in this app, the attacker click here and then send the group in sequence, single connection, or you can actually send group in separate connection, or you can send group in parallel. So we are going to actually select this send group in parallel. We have to send this actually and see the response. Send all these 21 requests in parallel, single packet attack, and then send it. And we get some 302 found. Coupon already applied, and that same thing we got, right? So now we are going to refresh the page, and you can see due to the race condition vulnerability, we earlier not able to apply more than one coupon, but now those coupons were applied 21 times, and we can buy this jacket at only 179.44 cents, right? So if we place the okay, so now we are going to understand what is server side request forgery, SSRF. SSRF attack exploits server functions to access internal resources. The server acts like a proxy unknowingly, and common targets include internal APIs, databases, and cloud metadata server. Product and C, this is the description, and yeah, we have a check stock functionality. So maybe like we are going to check the stock. So when we check, it says 866 unit available in London. This request, and here is the actual request we are looking for. This is a product stock. We are checking stock, and there is a API, as you can see. Forward this request, intercept off, and we get some London stock, right? So now we are going back to repeater. So we are going to save, delete everything here and paste this and try to send this request. And we can see, go to render. And yeah, we are actually logged in. You can see as admin. So this is the vulnerability, server side request forgery, and we're able to log in. And now we need to delete this, something to perform remote code execution via web shell upload. In order to upload a shell and solve the lab, this is our test.png. Load it. So we don't have this file uploaded. It's there in my desktop. So I will go and search for this file. We're going to upload it. So once uploaded, go back to our account and we uploaded the exploit. We are going to change this into exploit.php. So change it to exploit.php and then send this request. Render, and we get this secret actually. Oh, it's there in the response. I'm going to copy it and in the submit answer. So we need to paste it here. And congratulations, we're able to solve this lab.